welcome to my video, or more like a vlog. And today, your boy James Gamer 2013 is going to celebrate Christmas. We're going to celebrate Christmas. I might get a gift that Saturday, maybe. Oh, if I get my gift that Saturday, I'll do an unboxing video. So watch out for more videos. And there are a lot of firecrackers all the place. So everyone, Merry Christmas to everyone who is watching this video. Oh. And we are at Guadalupe. And I'm going home. And thank you all my subscribers for supporting me. And shout out to I Am Pringleton, guys. Shout out to I Am Pringleton. Or Pringleton, something. But just shout out to him, guys. Thank you for supporting me in my other videos. And since it's Christmas, I'll do some episodes of the Agent Robert series. Yeah. I'm going to do that. And here in Guadalupe, most of the stores are closed because it's Christmas. My mom and I is going to have liempo for lunch. And here we are in this other school. So we are going. Yes, we're finished now. We're going home now. Talking to my. Oh. Oh gosh, it stinks here. I'm in the stink area. Crap. Damn, it's so stinky here, guys, in this area. What's that? Joy to the world America. Everyone. I almost got hit by a car. Open at 12 o'clock. So, we're expecting Guadalupe. Everything is closed. My dad and that's to get a new transformer on Saturday. That's what my dad will give me. Saturday or tomorrow. Alright. I'll have to get my mom. Punta daw, ma'am. Punta daw. Yung ice nila para sa kanilang mga drinks. Wala man bibili ng drinks ngayon. Pero rin naman. Pa. Hello, kasi magbebenta ng ice dyan, ma'am. That's the store. No. I want to offer to buy their stock na ice. Isang lang sinabi mo. Walang order sa kanila mo yun. Can buy the ice. Oh look guys, Tricycle. Bicycle. Ha?
Tumingin na ba tayo kung may ice?
Oo.
Sa freezer nila wala?
Wala.
Tumingin ba? Ay, hindi pa sila nag-open.
Oo.
Kapautan ko yung multi coffee.
Okay. Okay, we're going to Robinsons. My mom doesn't work there anymore. Ay, ako yun.
Ito ang chicken limpo.
Ang limpo.
Kinisan ang limpo. Alam ko naman. Kilala.
Okay, let's go.
Madams.
Oh! Guys, we've got ice now. Yeah, we've got ice finally. Ay, hold this na lang, ma'am. Ay, no.
Hindi na 30.
I don't know. Kaya? We got ice for a drink. Let's go. Oh,
Don't give.
let's go, guys.
Don't
Let's
give.
go. Let's go, guys. Go. Yeah.
Ilan na siya, miss?
13.
Yeah. Welcome to basketball, yeah. Well,
Here we go. Very tiring. And we're almost going home. Thank you for your support. Thank you, guys. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. In advance, Happy New Year, guys. And see you guys in the next video. I'll be quite rusty. For a long time, I guess. So, see you in my next video. But I'll still post videos, but not that much like before. So, see you in my next video. Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for supporting. See you in my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe.